It was decided that the new Alphard will be announced and released on June 21, but there are no pre-orders, and the sales company will ship the initial orders received from June 21 to June 30 on July 1st. It is said that orders will be placed at the same time. And after seeing the real picture of the car from the Toyota factory, which has been published online recently, there is a real picture, not camouflaged on a car carrier trailer, expected to be sent to the deal. Dealers in Japan to prepare for the showroom to reveal the truth and deliver to customers who have booked, of course, taking the basis from the second-generation Lexus LM to adjust its own style from the chrome front grille with logo 3 rings for the first time used in Alphard, with LED headlights with daytime running lights, sequential front-rear turn signals, luxury front bumper and rear bumper. The rear is also unique, but the new design looks better than ever with a set of Alphard license plate plates designed to make the space of the letters look beautiful. The top of the license plate set has a 3-ring seal. Both sides are decorated with scaly OLED tail lights, adding a chrome edge to the tail light frame, as well as smooth lines on the sides. Alloy wheels are available in 3 sizes from 17 inches, 18 inches, and the largest 19 inches, and 2 moonroofs in the middle left-right. Power with both pure gasoline hybrid. Gasoline hybrid is a new engine, dynamic force turbo, size 2.4 liters 24/8, delivering power up to 279 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 429 Newton-meter of torque at 1,700 to 6,300 RPM with automatic transmission.